Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how to do the hot oil treatment on your fussy hair as well as its benefits for your hair. If something you love to see, keep watching this video. So to make our hot oil, I'll be using 3 different oils. I'll be using the olive oil, the coconut oil and the castor oil. These 3 oils has so many benefits for your hair. Coconut oil promotes hair growth. It's also good for deep conditioning the hair. It protects your hair from damages. It reduces protein loss in hair, prevents dandruff, and it can also be used as pre-poo and for detangling. The castor oil is a very good oil that promotes hair growth and hair thickness. It also promotes the hair from damages, prevents hair loss. It's used to treat dandruff, conditions your hair, and also improve the appearance of your hair in general. The olive oil is also a very great oil for the hair. It strengthens our hair. Olive oil strengthens our hair by keeping it moisturized and nourishing the hair shaft with rich fatty acid and vitamins, protecting the hair from breakage. It also promotes hair growth. It's used for detangling, minimizes dandruff, and is also used as a pre-poo. So there are a wide variety of oil you can also use for this treatment, like almond oil, like jojoba oil, and so many others. But I had these 3 right in my stock and I just decided to use these 3: the olive oil, the coconut oil and the castor oil. And then you'd also want to get a bottle, an applicator bottle, to apply the oil on your hair. So I just had to improvise an applicator bottle to mix these 3 oils. Once you have your applicator bottle, all you need to do is pour some quantity of the 3 oils into the bottle. You're basically mixing the 3 oils together. For the quantity, it doesn't have to be too much or too small. Just measure as much as you want for your hair. So after mixing your oils together, you place your applicator bottle into a bowl of hot water just to warm your oil a little bit. This should not take more than 1 minute. After about a minute, you remove your applicator bottle from the hot water. You can apply this oil on your hair while your hair is loosened or while your hair is in a plaited form. I decided to do this in a plaited form. So the first thing I did was to just dampen my hair a little bit with water from my spray bottle, just so it won't be too dry. And then I start applying from my scalp up to the tip of my hair. So basically I apply from my scalp, put it around my hair and massage it into my hair. And at some point when I was applying the oil, I had to loosen up a bit to make sure it goes in between my strands and all that. So this is one of the simplest and fastest hair routine, and I advise you do it on your wash day. Basically heat up your oil and apply it on your hair while massaging your scalp throughout the hair up to your strands. Hot oil treatment has so many benefits for natural hair, especially damaged natural hair. Hot oil treatments are great for natural hair. It helps to prevent the shampoo from drying out from your hair and scalp on your wash day. Also keeps your hair really soft and moisturized throughout the wash day process. It also greatly increases your hair strength. It reduces dryness on both your scalp and your hair. It helps with dandruff relief. It reduces frizz. It gives your hair fewer split ends. It also increases blood flow in your scalp, which may also promote healthier hair and promote hair growth. With all these benefits, I'm sure you would understand that hot hair treatment is a very important part of your routine and should be done regularly. So after applying the hot oil thoroughly over my hair and my scalp, I wait for about 30 minutes. I put a plastic bag or a shower cap over my head and my bonnet and wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to, seep in. And after 20 to 30 minutes, I washed my hair. So I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like, or how my hair looks like after the treatment and the wash. I don't know if you see it, but my hair basically felt heavier, it felt weightier and really moisturized, and I don't know, I like what I see. So if it's something you love, if you know you are struggling with dandruff, you're struggling with hair breakage and probably hair straight, hot oil treatment is like your go-to, so you should try it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you loved watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to drop a comment, don't forget to share this video. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. I'll see you in my next video, and until then, keep winning.